How to change profile name on TikTok. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, simply move into your application TikTok. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on the For You page. Once you're in this page, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in the profile page, at the top you can see the option of Edit. Click on it. Well, in this page you can see name and username. Click on Name. Right here it says your name can only be changed once every 7 days. If you want to change it, simply remove the name and then enter a new one. Once entered, tap on Save at the top right corner. And then click on Confirm. There you go, your profile name has been changed. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.